from Spinnerag. I'm here at the Garden State Comic-Con Fest. How are you guys doing? Today I'm with
Kevin, doing Aquaman.
How you doing, Kevin? I like your Aquaman suit. How did you do it?
I took, ignore the footwear, but I took two Zentai suits, a green and orange one. I hand painted all these scales using fabric paints, and then I sewed them together and made some fins. I got the fins in the boots and everything.
That's so cool. How long did it take you to do? That's the magic question.
Yeah, that's it probably took me about a month to do it. It was a lot of painting and waiting for the paint to dry because, yeah, there's a lot of hours of painting in this costume.
Wow. So, I mean, have you been to any other cons with it, or?
This is the second con I've done with this. I debuted this at Garden State Comic Fest Atlantic City back in April.
Oh, wow.
And got my feet wet in the very cold Atlantic Ocean.
Are you enjoying yourself today?
Yeah, I'm having a good time.
Thank you very much. Hey, did you see Ant-Man or the Avengers?
I saw both of them.
So what do you think about Ant-Man?
I loved Ant-Man. Ant-Man and Wasp.
Okay, sorry about that. Ant-Man and Wasp. What do you think about
I thoroughly enjoyed that movie. It was a good ride all the way through.
What do you think about the end credits?
I kind of expected that, but at the same time, I didn't expect it to be that.
I know. Wild, isn't it? What about Avengers? What do you think about that?
Oh, that was everything I hoped that movie could be. They handled every character amazingly and gave them. It was a good, solid job, and definitely some wet eyes in that theater after it was all said and done.
Quick question: did you read the comic, or this was the first time you saw it?
I grew up. I read Infinity.
So you weren't that surprised?
Yeah, I read Infinity Gauntlet growing up. I knew fully that. I expected that, just not expecting all and specifically stuff.
So what about, are you excited for the new Aquaman movie with Jason Momoa?
I am. Jason Momoa's a good actor. I mean, I think I look more the part, but you know.
Yes, you do.
But you know, I think what I saw of him in Justice League was a pretty good job, and I approve of it.
Well, thank you very much for taking the time to talk to us.